Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a massive milestone in your French journey, mastering the absolute worst RE French verbs in the present tense. Now, why do we call these verbs ending in RE the worst? Simple. Usually French verbs follow clean, predictable patterns, but the verbs on this list are the rebels. They are irregular, unique, or belong to tiny exclusive groups that don't play by the rules. So let's dive straight into our first verb, which is boire, to drink. Like in to drink water, boire de l'eau. This one is a classic, but it loves to change its stem. Let's look at the conjugation in present tense. Je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, on boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, ils boivent, elles boivent. So pay close attention here, guys, to how the OI, OI turns into UV, UV for nous and vous, and then hops right back to OI for the final plural form. From drinking, let's move to closing things up with the verb clore, which means to close, like in the sentence clore une porte, to close a door. This verb is so unique that it is actually incomplete. It completely skips the nous and vous forms in the present tense. Let's conjugate it. So we have je clos, tu clos, il clos, elle clos, on clos, il close, elle close. So notice here the circumflex accent on the O with third person singular. Now let's look at a verb that sounds crisp and straightforward. Conclure. Conclure. To conclude, like in to conclude a deal. Conclure un accord. Conclure un accord. So we have in present tense, je conclus, tu conclus, il conclut, elle conclut, on conclut, nous concluons, vous concluez, il conclut, elle conclut. And here is a fantastic shortcut for you guys. This exact same pattern applies to other verbs ending in clure. Learn this one and you automatically get 4 verbs for the price of 1. So let's read them all. First one is exclure, to exclude. Exclure, like in to exclude a player, for example, in a soccer game, by giving him a red card. So we have exclure un joueur. Let's conjugate it. J'exclus, tu exclus, il exclut, elle exclut, on exclut, nous excluons, vous excluez, ils excluent, elles excluent. Next one, inclure, to include, like in inclure une personne, to include a person. Inclure une personne. So let's conjugate it together with the same pattern. J'inclus, tu inclus, il inclut, elle inclut, on inclut, nous incluons, vous incluez, ils incluent, elles incluent. Now, occlure. To occlude. It means to block or to close, like saying to occlude one's jaws. Occlure, c'est mâchoire. Occlure, c'est mâchoire. Let's conjugate it. J'occlue, tu occlues, il occlue, elle occlue, on occlue, nous occluons, vous occluez, ils occluent, elles occluent. Next up, let's stitch things together with the verb coudre, to sew, like in to sew clothes. Coudre des habits. Coudre des habits. So we have je couds, tu couds, il coud, elle coud, on coud, nous cousons, vous cousez, ils cousent, elles cousent. So watch out here for the plural forms. The D magically transforms into an S. So we have nous cousons, vous cousez, ils cousent, and elles cousent. Moving from sewing to believing with croire, which means to believe. Croire. So we have je crois, tu crois, il croit, elle croit, on croit, nous croyons, vous croyez, il croit, elle croit. So keep an eye on the nous and vous form here, where the I changes into a Y. Nous croyons with an Y and vous croyez. Next we have absoudre, which means to absolve, to forgive. We use it, for example, when we talk about forgiving a mistake or a guilty person. So, to absolve a guilty person, absoudre un coupable. Absoudre un coupable. So we have j'absous, tu absous, il absout, elle absout, on absout, nous absolvons, vous absolvez, ils absolvent, elles absolvent. So this verb shares its exact DNA with the two other common verbs, dissoudre, to dissolve, and résoudre, to resolve. Master this conjugation and you've mastered all three. Let's read them together. First, dissoudre, to dissolve. Je dissous. Tu dissous. Il dissout. Elle dissout. On dissout. Nous dissolvons. Vous dissolvez. Ils dissolvent. Elles dissolvent. Now, résoudre. Same pattern. To resolve. So we have je résous. Tu résous. Il résout. Elle résout. On résout. Nous résolvons. Vous résolvez. Ils résolvent. Elles résolvent. Let's try not to get distracted as we look at our next verb, which is distraire, to distract. Distraire. Je distrais, tu distrais, il distrait, elle distrait, on distrait, nous distrayons. Vous distrayez. Il distrait. Elle distrait. Now for the ultimate heavyweight champion of French verbs, être, to be, être. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So, as you can see, it is completely unique, completely irregular, and absolutely essential for everyday life. Right alongside être, we have faire, which is to do or to make. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. This verb is a major rule breaker, especially in the vous and il with an S and L with an S forms. Plus, once you know faire in the present tense, you also know its siblings défaire, to undo, and refaire, to redo or do again. Here they are. So we have first défaire, to undo. Je défais. Tu défais. Il défait. Elle défait. On défait. Nous défaisons. Vous défaites. Il défend. Elle défend. Now to redo. Refaire. Je refais. Tu refais. Il refait. Elle refait. On refait. Nous refaisons. Vous refaites. Ils refont. Elles refont. The next one with moudre, to grind. Moudre. Je moue. Tu moues. Il moue. Elle moue. On moue. Nous moulons. Vous moulez. Il moule. Elle moule. So here, just like coudre, to sew, the D disappears in the plural forms, but this time it turns into an L. Nous moulons. Vous moulez. Il moule. Elle moule. Next one is naître, to be born. Naître. Je nais. Tu nais. Il naît. Elle naît. On naît. Nous naissons. Vous naissez. Ils naissent. Elles naissent. This verb features a circumflex accent on the I for the third person singular. Il naît, with an accent circonflexe, or we could also call it accent chapeau, like a hat. Il naît, elle naît, on naît. And a soft double S in the plural. Nous naissons, double S. Vous naissez, same thing. Ils naissent, same thing. And elles naissent, double S. So it also perfectly matches its sibling, renaître, to be reborn. So let's conjugate it together, following the same pattern. Je renais, tu renais, il renaît, elle renaît, on renaît, nous renaissons, double S, vous renaissez, double S, ils renaissent, same thing, elles renaissent, double S. Moving on to a very polite verb, plaire, to please. plaire. So we have je plais, tu plais, il plaît, elle plaît, on plaît, nous plaisons, vous plaisez, ils plaisent, elles plaisent. Watch out here, guys. While it shares that famous circumflex accent on the third person singular, il, elle, on, just like naître, its plural forms are actually different. Instead of a double S, plaire uses a single soft S, which will be pronounced like a Z. This pattern also completely dictates how you conjugate its sibling to displease, déplaire, déplaire. So let's recite it. Je déplais, tu déplais, il déplaît, elle déplaît, on déplaît, nous déplaisons, vous déplaisez, ils déplaisent, elles déplaisent. So let's bring now some joy into the mix with the verb rire, to laugh, rire. Je ris, tu ris, il rit, elle rit, on rit, nous rions, vous riez, il rit, elle rit. Good news! This one is incredibly short and easy to remember. Even better news, its twin verb sourire, which means to smile, uses the exact same endings. So let's conjugate sourire together. To smile. Je souris. Tu souris. Il sourit. Elle sourit. On sourit. Nous sourions. Vous souriez. Il sourit. Elle sourit. Now, follow me, guys, to our next verb, which is suivre, to follow. Je suis, I follow. Tu suis, il suit, elle suit, on suit, nous suivons, vous suivez, ils suivent, elles suivent. Watch out here for the je form. It sounds exactly like the je form of être. Je suis, I am. But the context will always save you. This pattern also works perfectly for poursuivre, to pursue. Je poursuis. Tu poursuis. Il poursuit. Elle poursuit. On poursuit. Nous poursuivons. Vous poursuivez. Ils poursuivent. Elles poursuivent. So now let's look at a reflexive rebel. Se taire, to be quiet. Je me tais. Tu te tais. Il se tait. Elle se tait. On se tait. Nous taisons. Vous taisez. Ils se taisent. Elles se taisent. So here, my friends, don't forget to include that reflexive pronoun right before the verb in a affirmative mode. Finally, let's wrap up our list with the beautiful verb vivre, to live, vivre. Je vis. Tu vis. Il vit. Elle vit. On vit. Nous vivons. Vous vivez. Ils vivent. Elles vivent. So this one has a clean, energetic rhythm, and it is identical to the conjugation of survivre, to survive. Let's conjugate it together. Je survis. Tu survit. Il survit. Elle survit. On survit. Nous survivons. Vous survivez. Ils survivent. Elles survivent. And there you have it, my friends. The absolute worst, most irregular RE verbs in French, completely conquered. By mastering these patterns and their families, you have officially unlocked the vast majority of irregular verbs in the language. Practice these, rewrite them, and you'll be conjugating like a native in no time. If you found this helpful, guys, don't forget to like the video, save it for later, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, my friends. À la prochaine!